Mini excavator back with our New Holland turned CAT excavator. We decided to pay homage to my papa, who was in business, in the excavation business some years ago, and all he owned was mostly Caterpillars. So I couldn't afford a real CAT, so I got a CAT clone. Here we are, CAT clone. And this is my version of a Caterpillar excavator, E17c-CAT. I know there's going to be some haters out there, but it is what it is. Until I can afford a CAT, I'll have a CAT clone. So that's just the way it's going to be. All right, well, this is it. Again, this is our CAT clone E17c mini excavator.
Like and subscribe.
As my son said, like and subscribe. Good job. We just finished clearing off this property, grading it. Didn't do a bad job. I'm a beginner at this, so for all you experienced dozer / excavator operators, I'm learning. I'm doing the best that I can with only actually operating a mini excavator. This is my third time, believe it or not. So this is the end result. I still have to take out that bush and then haul away those bushes and that debris on the other side. But considering I'm a beginner, this is the end result thus far, and this is what we're working with. Thanks for watching. Again, as my son said, like and subscribe. For all the newbies out here, I'm learning, you're learning. Anybody with experience can give me pointers, show me how to do better. Stay tuned for more videos of me actually operating the machine on my next job, and you can critique it then. Be gentle, please be gentle. Till next time, happy excavating, and this is Mini Excavator. See you next time. We out.